How quickly will your eBay store make profit? How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through a eBay store and its spreadsheet as well to show you how quickly it becomes profitable, because it is obviously a super common question, especially clients coming on. Not only do they want to know how much they're going to be able to profit, but how quickly they're going to be profitable. Obviously, our clients come in as the funding partners on the store. So obviously, you know, to start making profit, the sooner the better. But let's jump straight into the store and I'll kind of start breaking down and explaining more. So here we are inside of a storefront here. And the first thing we'll do, we'll come over to performance and we'll look at a summary first, just so you can see the first, you know, kind of the 90 days, first 3 months in on a store. And then we'll go ahead and take a look at the spreadsheet as well. So if we come to here, what you'll see is this store's only been selling for this year here. It's about, the store itself is about 3 months old, probably reaching close to about 4 right now, but it's really only had about 2 to almost 3 months of selling, because again, there's a seasoning process first. If you've seen other videos on the channel before, you'll know kind of the first month we're really just dedicated to seasoning the store itself. We're not really looking for profit or anything initially. So that's always the first month in. So I can just tell you, right away, you're not going to be looking at profit in that first month of the seasoning process. Second month in is what we'll get further into here. So you're kind of able to just see the last 90 days, about $5,000 in sales. And then if we look at the last 30 days, about 2,300 in sales. So you can see obviously it's starting to pick up, and you can actually see here April 11th, and kind of take a look at daily sales throughout these periods. This is just the last 31 days here. So let's jump into the spreadsheet, because it's actually going to obviously show you profitability and numbers there. So here we are inside of the spreadsheet, and you can see this is really the first actual month, again, really looking for profit past the seasoning process. And you'll see in that first month, we're looking at about $117 in profit. And something that you'll hear me talk about a lot is how we're looking at a lot of profit per each order on here. And some stores, we will start with the slower margins just to really start ramping up, getting more sales, getting more reviews on the account. It all kind of matters how many reviews does it have. If you're able to get a lot of reviews through the seasoning process, through buying, obviously that's super helpful. And then if we want to build up the account more with reviews on there, obviously kind of listing cheaper and getting more sales to come in initially can help in the long run. So that's why you'll kind of see some differences there, especially compared to months down the road. But about $117 in profit for the first month. Obviously not horrible, but obviously it's just us getting started. And then if we take a look at the second month, we'll be able to look at about $271 in total profit for the second month. So like I've said, and if you've heard me talking, in other videos before, there is a gradual ramp up process to it. You're not going to see your profit, 3xing, 5xing, that quickly in getting up to there. One, just because again, with the way we're listing, obviously, again, it's as we build up the catalog, we're getting more listings out there that are eligible to be sold, and not only are we selling the new listings we put out, but old prior listings as well. That kind of aids in us growing the store and building that profitability. But also, again, we don't want to trigger anything from eBay's side of things where we 10x the sales, overnight or month over month. Where it's obviously going to be a little bit alarming there, a store scaling that rapidly, they're going to take a further look into. And not to say, again, there's going to be anything wrong when they do look into it, but we don't even want to trigger that. Like if you've seen a past video where I kind of went through, obviously you want to avoid restrictions at all costs, where I said, we can't just get onto a store and start listing 60 a month. And even if we did do that, yeah, could we get out of the suspension if they put one on it? Of course, just because you list 60 items a month, that you're not doing anything wrong, but you still triggered their system, had them suspend the account, to then have to have further conversation with them to restrict or lift that ban there. But if we can avoid all of those, we want to, right? Because if something does happen later down the road, and maybe it's a metric thing or something like that, which we don't see, but again, just to bring up, if something were like that or something like that were to happen, we want it to be the first time we've been restricted, right? We don't want them to see, hey, the store's been restricted 2 or 3 times already. They're going to be less lenient on that. So the less restrictions, obviously the better. And that comes through, again, not just scaling super, super quick on here, but you're able to kind of see the profitability of the first 2 months. This is pretty on par, honestly, with what you'll see. This isn't something that's performing really, really well. It's honestly, it's average, maybe even a little below on what you're going to be seeing in your first 2 months on. The first month being $170 or $117 in profit, and then we see about $270 in the second month. So this is something to expect and to kind of give you a little bit of an expectation of what that third month can be. Third month, we should be looking at a little shy of $500 in profit, right around there. With where this store is at, reaching 500 in third month is pretty common on a normal store. But again, I wanted to keep this video pretty brief, just show you, how long it'll kind of take to get some profitability on a store. But I hope this video is helpful. I hope it was insightful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.